Hello everyone, very marvelous noon to all of you and very marvelous noon to my respected sir. This is Sunday and we all know this is the very special day for us, for all of us, because this is the day when we can show our power that whatever we have learned here, so we can say. So I have some words for our respected sir. That sir, you always give us a chance. So I'm very indebted to you for your support, and I always feel lucky that a great man is my guru, and I tell to everyone that I'm a student of a great teacher. Then I feel very lucky. Everybody start to say that why do you fly on the sky? That I say this is the power of Bhuvan Singh. Did I say anything wrong? No. So they should not laugh, na? So guys, I think everybody know me, but who doesn't know me, I want to tell you that I'm Sandhya Pal and I have completed my schooling and now my graduation are running. And guys, I have chosen a very useful topic, that how can you learn English in an easy way. So as far as I think, first of all, we all have to explain to ourselves that English is not a subject. English is a language. But English is used in India as a second language. And this is 21st century, and I think we all need to speak in English, because if you won't speak in English, you won't be able to do anything extra, anything good. So I think English is very important. So many people try to speak. So I think first of all, you don't need to worry. Just start to speak in English. This is a startup to speak in English. Just start to speak in English. Whether you are speaking wrong, but you should start. If you will start, so then you will be able to speak. If you won't start, so how will you be able to speak? Isn't it? So I think first of all you should start to speak in English, and there are many important tips to learn English in an easy way. That first is you have to start to speak in English, whether you are speaking in wrong way, but you have to speak. Second is you have to listen to others, and third you have to read books. And if you want to be a speaker, so you will have to read many different books. You will have to visit museums and many historical places. I think now I should end my topic, but I want to share a feeling of my heart that I feel very lucky to be a part of for being a part of this class and this program. Sir doesn't organize this program only to him. He organized this program only for us, because they want we should be something. And I have one more feeling that when sir had said, I won't teach you the batch of 5 o'clock till 15 days. I was feeling that what is this happening? I was just feeling that what did we do? And I was feeling so guilty. I thought, why did I do this? I shouldn't have done this. So thank you so much for your attention, and we will meet on next Sunday. Thank you guys.
So guys, now the